Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. I know this wig is obnoxious, but I'm trying to channel my inner mermaid because today's video is the Apocalyptic Beauty subscription box unboxing and try on, and the theme this month is Malevolent Mermaid. And it's just very blue and cute, and I figured this background kind of looked like the ocean. We're gonna pretend it does. If I was a mermaid, this is the kind of ocean I would want to live in. Whatever. Anyways, if you are new to one of these kinds of videos from me, Apocalyptic Beauty is an indie brand and they also have a monthly subscription service. It's $12.50 a month and you get, I think it's like around 5 products, maybe 6. It might vary. I know it's usually right around 5. And it's eyeshadows, sometimes a lip product. I usually always get a lip product. I usually always get a glitter. It's a lot of fun. I've gotten blush from them. I've gotten a highlighter, I believe. It's a fun bag and it's always themed around something very fantasy. I don't want to necessarily say fantasy, but it's almost like a Halloween-y, costumey creature, something like that. I'm excited about this bag because I really love blues and greens. You guys should know that by now, and I'm ready to create a cool look. And also, if you want to shop on their site, you can use my code beautbean. It saves you 15%, I believe. It does not work for the monthly subscription, but it works for anything else on the site. I don't get direct commission in the sense of physical money, but I do get store credit in the shop so I can buy more things to play with you guys. So I appreciate you very much if you make a purchase with my code. I already unbagged it, but this is what the bag looks like. It's just kind of like a netty material and it's blue and it has kind of a green shift. It's cute. It's a bag. I use them for jewelry and stuff if I travel. Oh my gosh, this wig's already driving me nuts. I should have done Wig Cat Betty Jean for this. This month we got 5 products. We got a gloss, a glitter, and 3 shadows. And we always get a candy. This is a hard candy shaped like a seashell and it's so cute. The candy is always themed with the bag and I love that. Let's go ahead and swatch these shadows. The first one is called Watery Grave. It's described as a sparkling blue green. Whoa, that's cute. That's so cute. I love these shadows. I'll talk about it more in the actual tutorial, but I've said this 100 times. These ones don't work great just going in dry. I always use a glitter glue with these and it makes them pop so much. They are gorgeous. This next one is called Strangling Seaweed. This is a reflective shifting green. Ooh, this looks cute. Let's see. Oh, I like that. That's cool. On the viewfinder, I feel like it doesn't look too different, but in real life, this one is much more of a green color. It's really cute. And this last one is called Siren Song, and this one is described as a sheer violet with aqua duochrome. And whoa, that's cute. That's really cute. And I like how it's very different from the other two because I feel like it'll just pair really nicely. That'll be really cute in my inner corner. That's probably what I'm going to end up doing with that one. The glitter is called Full Fathom 5. It's really cute. It has blues and greens, different size pieces, and it has little seashells in it. Normally I always put my glitter kind of like heavily on the outer corner of my eyes, but I think I'm going to do it a little different today. We'll see. And the lip gloss is called Lovecraftian. I don't know how to say that, but it's a blue gloss. Ooh. That's cool. So if you guys are new here, I don't usually do all shimmer looks. I just prefer a matte in my crease. So I'm going to use my Pinky Rose Exotic Peacock palette to help me because it has this really cool kind of tealy color and it has a green, it has this matte blue, we have a darker matte blue, we have different blues to work with. And let me just zoom you in and we'll get started. All right, I tossed my wig behind my shoulders, so if it looks weird right now, just let it live. I'm just going to start as always by priming my eyes with my Smashbox lid primer. This is my favorite. Helps the shadows last such a long time and they blend out really well on top of it. And I never set my eyeshadow primer. I just like to leave it tacky because I feel like it works the best that way. I'm pushing my hair to this side because I'm doing this eye first, so I don't care if the hair gets in the way over here. So I'm just gonna dip into Lovesick in that palette and I'm just taking that on a medium-sized spectrum brush. This is the B06 and I'm going to lose my mind over this wig. I'm just going to start tucking this in the outer corner of the eye and run it through the rest of the crease, basically all the way from outer to inner corner, but I do want heavy focus of the shade in the outer corner because I'm just feeling more of a kind of winged out look. I'm putting a decent amount of focus in this inner corner as well because I just want that kind of effect today. And now I'm just gonna take Truth right here, which is the matte blue, and I'm just taking that on a teeny tiny little brush. And I'm just going to tuck that in the very outer corner of my eye. And then probably through the lower crease as well. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do a half cut crease. What a surprise, I always do one. And I'm just gonna take that first brush with no additional product, just to buff and blend these edges out just a little bit more so that it's nice and seamless. I love this monthly subscription box. I always get so excited to receive it, and I pay for this with my own money. I don't get sent this or anything. I was paying for this long before I became an affiliate with them. It's just such an exciting box. I actually already canceled my BoxyCharm, so I will not be receiving any more. I got the one last month. I wasn't impressed. I wasn't impressed the past couple months, so I canceled that. So this is now my only monthly subscription box, and I'm pretty okay with it. So I actually just went to Ulta before this because I've been wanting to try this Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas. My friend Millie from Bad to the Brow, I'll link her channel down below. I saw her recommend this, and I want to try it, and I like that it comes with a brush at the end. Holy cow. I'll never have to dirty another cut crease brush again. Are you serious? That's revolutionary. Well, let's give it a go. I don't know what to expect from this product. I'm just gonna do what I normally do. I'm gonna lay it down, look up to see where it transfers so I can see where I should be cutting my crease. Well, this brush at the end is not the most precise. Can we make it work? Well, I don't like the brush that it includes. It was a cool idea in theory, but just for me, it doesn't work. It's a little too fat, not quite flat enough for me. So I ended up covering up a bunch of that blue in the crease, but that's fine, we'll make it work. I feel like I like this formula though. It's really glidey, but not in a slippy kind of way. It just kind of goes where I want it to. And it seems to be staying pretty thick. It's not shearing out like crazy. Been using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer for my cut creases for a while, and it was fine. But in comparison, this one seems just a tad bit thicker, which I like. I feel like it's giving me a little bit more control. I think I like this product. I mean, just based off first impressions, it seems pretty solid, but obviously we'll see how it actually works with laying shadows on top of it and how it wears and stuff like that. Maybe I'm gonna start with the green here, see how it looks, and maybe I'll put the blue in the middle. We'll see what happens. And I'm taking my NYX glitter primer. It's my favorite glitter glue in the world. I'm laying some of this glitter glue down first, right on top of this cut creasey situation. Then I'm just dipping my brush right into that green shadow. As you can see, knocking some of the excess off. And then we're just gonna pat it on. Hoo-hoo, that's so pretty. I live and breathe and die for this. This is so nice. And now I'm just gonna take that exact same brush because I'm being lazy. I just kind of wiped it off, put some more glitter glue on the opposite side that I was doing with the green. Popping more of that glitter glue just kind of in the middle. I'm gonna dip into that blue shade, which was the one called Watery Grave. It looks like that. I'm gonna pop that just kind of in the middle. Ooh, that's glittery. I'm so excited about these colors. And then just gonna take a little bit more of that blue shade on that little brush from earlier, just to kind of smudge in this outer portion to mesh with that sparkly blue. So what I wanna do now is just take a little bit more of that Truth shade to start really smoking out underneath the lower lash line. And now I'm just gonna take this random pencil brush. I'm gonna pop some glitter glue in my inner corner. And I'm gonna dip into that final shadow, which was called Siren Song. It's more of that purpley one. And that's gonna go in my inner corner. Oh my gosh, that is literally glowing. Whoa, do you guys see that? I mean, obviously you do. This is so freaking cool. This is so much better than the swatch made it out to be. Be still my heart. That is so pretty. I'm going to go ahead and just do the other eye and then we'll do the glitter after because I just want to go ahead and use one of these brushes for the glitter and I don't want to dirty it up before I do this eye. So we'll be right back. All right, my eyes are matching, so let's get into the glitter. I love glitter. Glitter is like one of my favorite things ever. I'm just gonna start first by taking that pencil brush I used in my inner corner. I wiped it off. I'm taking some of that glitter glue And I'm just gonna start kind of stamping it underneath my eye. I basically just want glitter overload under my eye. Very loud, rude motorcycle outside my window. I'm just gonna start popping this glitter all underneath my eyeball. Always be careful with using glitters. I'm pretty sure no chunky glitters are safe for the eyes technically, so it's kind of use at your own risk. But always use cosmetic grade glitters around your eyes when you are using glitter, because they are cut more round. They aren't as sharp as craft glitters, but it's one of those things, use to your own discretion. Follow the manufacturer's instructions, things like that. Don't do anything crazy. I'm not responsible for your eyeballs. And just as it goes more down my eye, I'm just gonna kind of taper it off and make it a little more pointed. And as far as the shells go, I'm gonna use my lash glue. And I'm just gonna pop a couple kind of, here's where I want one. Here's where I want another. And here's where I want one. Just taking my tweezers and the shell, I'm just gonna stick it right to me. I like because all these shells are slightly different in color. It's so stinking cute. I love that. I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye and then pop on the gloss. I think I'm gonna do it off camera, see if the gloss looks okay by itself. If it doesn't, I'll probably show you and then I'll wipe it off and put it on top of a lipstick. So this is the final look. We are complete. I am in my mermaid form. And I think it's really cute. I've never even been a huge mermaid person. Like, I'm not against mermaids, but I've never been like a mermaid lover. I just don't like the beach. I don't like anything like that. I don't like the ocean. I don't like things like that. I don't like aquatic life, basically. But I really like this look. I feel really cute. I like this wig with this look. I like this backdrop with this look. I love this glitter. You better believe I'm gonna be using this glitter again. The gloss is okay. I like the gloss a lot more over top of this lipstick. I definitely don't think it's what I'm gonna reach for all the time just because it's not very, I don't know, I can't pair it with a lot of things. But even so, I'd rather wear a matte blue lip than a glossy blue lip if I'm gonna wear a blue lip, you know what I mean? I love these shadows. They perform so good. I'm so pleasantly surprised with this cute iridescent purple one. I'm definitely gonna use that again. And I just really liked that tealy green and that sparkly blue. So pretty. I'm really impressed with this bag. It was a lot of fun. Next month's theme is gonna be Voodoo Queen and I can't wait. That is gonna be so fun. I don't even know what to expect with that one, but I can't wait. I was a voodoo doll for Halloween a couple years ago and I'm just really excited. I think it's gonna be really fun. Did you guys get this bag? What did you think of it? I know some of you have started subscribing to this bag ever since I started talking about it, and I think that's really cool. It's so fun. This is truly one of my favorite parts of the month. It's just so exciting. If you enjoyed this Apocalyptic Beauty subscription and bagging and try on, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's beautbean. Follow me there. I post every single day, and don't forget to subscribe here before you leave. I post 5 days a week, every Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Let me know what videos you want to see on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.